Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cheyenne. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for tuning into my video today. So today I'm gonna be doing this look. Like, this is just so beautiful. Like, it's giving me all the fall vibes. It's such a beautiful look for fall. Fall is my favorite time of year. Like, I absolutely love fall and everything that comes with fall. The cool weather, like, it's perfect. Plus it's my birthday season, which is awesome as well. My birthday is in November. I'm a Scorpio. So be sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave and give this video a big thumbs up. And ring the little bell down below as well so you'll get notifications of all my future uploads. And if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Today I'm gonna just be doing like a cute, fun fall makeup look. I'm gonna be using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Androgyny palette here. This won't be a first impression because I have used this before, and these colors are just so beautiful. That one's like that because when I got it, it was broken up, which is fine. Like, it's not that big of a deal, but I just love these shades. Like, I live for them. I feel like these are all perfect, beautiful colors to create a nice fall look. So I'm gonna be doing that today. Plus, here in a little bit, I'm going to having a birthday party for my daughter. Turned 10 on Monday, September 30th. So she wanted to have like this gymnastics party. So this gymnastics place, that she have birthday parties there, and like the kids can play in the gym on the gymnastics equipment, which is pretty cool. So that's what she wanted to do, so that's what we're gonna do. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and jump into the video here. So first I'm gonna prime my eyes. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. This is what it looks like here. I do like this eye primer. Like, it's really pigmented, but it works really well as an eye base. So I'm just gonna put, like, you really do not need a whole lot of this at all. And then I'm just gonna go in and kind of blend this out. So I got the eye base done. So next what I'm gonna go and do, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face here. And I'm gonna prime my face with the e.l.f. Poreless face primer here. This is my first time using it. I've never used this one before. I went to Ulta yesterday and picked up a few things. So I'm just gonna put a pump in my hand here. This is what it looks like. It does have a scent to it, but it smells really fresh and clean. So it doesn't stink, but it has a nice little scent to it. This eye primer, I feel like you don't need to set it down with powder. Like, it dries down pretty good. Like, that stuff isn't going anywhere. Like, I don't really have any on my finger, you can't even see it. Now I'm gonna go in and put on the foundation here. I'm gonna go in with the Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, and I am in the shade 4.0, which this is for medium dark skin tone and warm peach undertone. Got my beauty sponge here, and I'm just gonna, and I already got it wet. I'm just gonna put some on the sponge here. Dab it on the face. Every time I use this, I feel like, oh, it does not match, but once I get it all blended out and it settles, it looks a lot better. Because I have a yellow undertone, but it's not this peachy, I feel like. And I feel like this is like really peachy. Yeah.
Sorry, I'm having the wrong drink.
Are you sure? Tastes like cherry Pepsi.
Huh?
It tastes like cherry Pepsi.
No. Pretty sure.
Oh. What'd you get?
Pepsi.
I feel like they taste the same. I think you got cherry Pepsi too.
This is Pepsi.
Oh.
Big difference.
I couldn't tell. So I got that all blended out. Like, see, like it doesn't look bad once you get it blended out. Like, it looks really good. We're going with concealer. I have some new concealer here. This is the Morphe full coverage concealer. It says it's a soft matte. This is what it looks like. This is my first time ever using Morphe concealer. I got the shade C 2.65, and we're just going to use this to conceal and brighten. Oh, and then with this, I did like already like kind of try this already once, because I wanted to see how it worked, and it does dry down fast. So you want to just do like a few areas at a time, and then, you know, blend it out and then do the other areas, because it dries pretty fast. I look crazy right now because of that primer, but I wanted to put it on because it's so white and, like, you know, it comes like out to here. I just want to be able to cover that up without having to go in with a ton of product. Oh, I haven't even done my forehead yet. I'm so used to doing all this. Just gonna do one side first and then do the other since it dries so fast. Alright, blend it out. So now we're just gonna go in and set the concealer here. So I am gonna use like 2 different powders today, but first I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r setting powder here. It's in the shade Honey to set the under eyes. And I'm gonna go in with this little sponge here. Alright, so I have that done. Have the face setting. So now I'm just gonna go in and contour out my face here. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Matte Skin Stick in the color Truffle. This is what it looks like. My daughter was obviously playing with it, which sucks, but it's okay. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go in and blend out the contour here. I'm gonna go in and put some bronzer over the contour here. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer in the color Caramel Cutie here. And this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics #1 brush here. So now I'm gonna go in and put some more powder on my face, kind of clean up this contour a little bit. I'm gonna go with the Morphe Bake and Set setting powder. This 3rd translucent one here. And this is my first time using their setting powder as well, so. And it's a pretty good size. I think this was like $12. So, which isn't bad at all. I really want to try the Anastasia Beverly Hills setting powders. Like, those look amazing. Alright, so we're just going to finish letting these powders set. And we're going to go ahead and do the eyes here. Alright, so first I'm going to go with the color Safe Word right here. And this is going to be the transition shade. You guys, I can't believe my Otis is 10 years old. Like, she's still my little baby. Like, I was 19 years old when I got pregnant with her. So I was, I guess, be considered a teen mom since I was 19. I turned 20 shortly after I had her, so, but she definitely changed my life, and I love her. Like, that's my first baby, and she has such a nice, kind, gentle heart. She's so sweet. She gets the food and juice from school that's like about to expire, and she has my stepdad take her downtown, take her to downtown Louisville, and she will pass it out to all the homeless people. And like, when I heard that's something that she wanted to do, and oh my, I was like, I want to cry. I just wanted like tear up just thinking about, like, she's just so sweet and thoughtful. Like, it's just amazing, like, that she wants to try to give back to people who don't have nothing at all, and that's just amazing. Like, I couldn't ask to be able to raise a better daughter. All right, so the next shade I'm gonna go in with here is the color Military, and I'm just gonna, or no, do I want to do that color? Actually, I'm gonna go in with the color Charm right here and pop that on top of the transition color. I'm using one of these Moda brushes. They don't have a name on it. It's just from Moda Studios. I got it in my BoxyCharm box. Like, I love this palette. His formula is like fucking bomb. Like, I love it. Like, it's so, like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, they're definitely buttery and smooth, and like, honestly, I feel like he has one of the best eyeshadow palettes I've ever used. Like, his formulas are on point. Alright, so now I'm gonna go with my Sigma E70 medium angled shading brush here. I'm gonna dip into the shade Androgyny right here, and we're gonna use this to deepen up this outer corner. I'm gonna dip back into the shade Safe Word a little bit here with my Sigma E40 tapered blending brush and kind of smooth this out and blend everything together here. Alright, so now I'm gonna go with my BH Cosmetics number 9 brush, and I'm gonna dip into the color Fetish right here. I'm gonna put that all over the lid. I am gonna spray my brush a little bit. Alright, I think I'm gonna go in and put this like dark bronzy brown color on top of that as well. This is the shade Deja Vu right here. I'm just gonna go in with this Luxie 209 large shader brush right here, and then I am gonna spray it a little bit. Look at that. That is really pretty. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put glue on my lashes so I can let them sit. I'm gonna use the Ardell Professional 3D Faux Minx lashes. It's the style 854 here, and I have used these before already. Okay, so while I got my lashes drying with the glue on it, I'm gonna go in and brush all this bake off my face. I'm gonna go in with this big fluffy Moda Studios brush here. So now I'm just gonna go in and put some blush on my face. I'm gonna use this Alamar Cosmetics Colorate Blush Trio here, and I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Toast It right here. And then I'm just gonna go in with this BH Cosmetics #1 brush, or no, I'm gonna go with the BH Cosmetics #2 brush here. Alright guys, I'm back. I went ahead and finished the eyes up a little bit as well. So now what I'm going to do is go in with some mascara. I'm going to go in with the It Cosmetics Lash Blowout here. And pop this on my lower lashes. So I have that done, so now I'm just going to go and highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. I'm going to go in with the shade Frosting right here. I'm going to go with this BH Cosmetics #10 brush to do that. That is so beautiful. Alright, so I have that done now. So now I'm gonna go in and put highlighter on my face. And of course I'm going with the Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighting powder in the shade Golden Flower Crown. Alright, so now I'm just going to go in and set my face before I go in with lipstick. And I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray here. Alright, and then now I'm going to go with the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Patina Shimmer. This is my new favorite lipstick. It is, like, it literally pretty much stays all day. And it goes on so smooth. Alright guys, and this is the completed look. Like, it turned out so beautiful. Like, I'm really loving how everything turned out here. Like I said, I love the palette. It's so amazing. I love this lip color. Like, it's everything to me. So don't forget to be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the little bell down below so you'll get notifications of all my future uploads. And I want to thank you all so much for joining me today in putting on makeup and just hanging out. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.